Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit. Today we're making an Old Bay seafood steam pot with jumbo Alaskan king crab legs, jumbo Alaskan snow crab legs, a couple pounds of 1620 shrimp, andouille sausage, corn on the cob, and baby red potatoes. Now a lot of people like to do crab boils, seafood boils, low country boils, etc., where you boil the seafood in the seasoned liquid, like we're doing here. If you want to check out that video, click on the link at the top right hand corner of this video. Careful though, it's an older video and the quality's not that great, so you've been warned. Thank you to Cameron Seafood for sponsoring today's video. We were already having a crabby day here at the Wolf Pit, but when I say a crabby day, it's a good day. We started off the day by steaming a few dozen Maryland blue crabs. So we're going to repurpose the steam liquid that we used to steam the crabs in, which is simply beer, apple cider vinegar, and Old Bay. So now we already have a base delicious pot liquor. If you didn't cook crabs earlier in the day, you're not going to have this wonderful liquid. But that's okay. Just mix equal parts beer and apple cider vinegar and a little Old Bay to your taste. If you don't want to use beer, use water. So to that already delicious mixture, we added onions, garlic, and lemon. We brought it back up to a boil and let it boil for 5 minutes. While everything's boiling away, let's go check out the seafood and everything else that's going into our steam pot. Here's 3 pounds of Alaskan snow crab legs, and these are big and beautiful clean crab legs. And then 3 pounds of the Big Daddy Alaskan king crab legs. And the camera doesn't really do justice to the size of these crab legs. They're a whole lot bigger than they look. That claw was about the size of my fist. And then we have a couple pounds of 1620 shrimp, our fresh corn on the cob, our baby red potatoes, and the andouille sausage, if we can keep it on the cutting board. And this is a pack of 8 Cajun style andouille sausages. And although not authentic andouille, these sausages turned out to be fantastic. So after boiling for 5 minutes, we're ready to add our seafood and vegetables. So the first thing we need to do is add the steam basket. And like I said, we just cooked some crabs, so there's already blue crab yummies in the basket. It just adds a little extra flavor. Now add the baby red potatoes. Give them a sprinkle of Old Bay. And you can really never have too much Old Bay. It all depends on your preference. And you're going to see here that we like a lot of Old Bay. Now add the king crab legs. And of course another layer of Old Bay. And the snow crab legs. Followed by another layer of Old Bay. Now bring the pot back up to a boil. Once your pot's back up to a boil, put the lid on and let everything steam for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, carefully remove the lid. Then add the andouille sausage. The shrimp. And one final layer of Old Bay. Now bring your pot back up to a boil, close the lid, and let it steam for 5 more minutes. After 5 more minutes, for a total cooking time of 15 minutes, our Old Bay seafood steam pot is ready. Now the only thing left to do is to spread out some old newspapers or butcher's paper, pour your beautiful seafood bounty on it, get some melted butter and a cold drink, and enjoy this very simple, succulent seafood feast. That's all there is to it. Thank you all very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends, and I'll see you soon.